Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to master sniper rifles in COD Warzone Mobile. While mastering sniper rifles in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile requires a combination of skills and strategies. Here are some tips to help you dominate with sniper rifles. Well, spend time in the game's training mode or in custom matches to practice your aim. Sniping requires precise aiming, so hone your skills by practicing consistently. Understand the different zoom levels and reticles of your sniper rifle scopes. Experiment with different scopes to find the one that suits your playstyle best. Position yourself in strategic locations that offer good sight lines and cover. High grounds and buildings with vantage point are ideal spot for snipers. Sniping requires patience. Wait for the right moment to take shots instead of rushing and giving away your position. Stay hidden and use silent weapons whenever possible to avoid drawing attention to your position. Remaining undetected allows you to take your enemy by surprise. Take into account bullet drop and the movement of your target. Practice leading your shots to hit moving targets accurately. Learn the map and popular sniper spots. Knowing your enemies are likely to be can give you an advantage and help you anticipate their movements. If you're playing with a team, communicate with them to coordinate your attacks and share enemy locations. This can help you set up ambushes and cover each other's positions. Master the art of quick scoping to eliminate enemies swiftly in close quarters combat. Practice switching between your sniper rifle and secondary weapons for quick follow-up shots if needed. In intense situation, it's easy to panic and miss shots. Stay calm and focus, and take your time to line up your shots accurately. And that's how to master sniper rifles in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.